we're in some serious trouble here because the chassis of the trailer, the main frame, is actually cracking. As you can see, in here we have a major crack. So what we've done is we've cleared the crack and drilled a hole, and I have a solution that I think should fix it. We'd like to see our array of stuff. Vice grips for holding welding cable to battery terminals. Little home welder kit that we made before we left. Look, an earth cable. Look, a welding thing. Welding rods, steel looted from various locations. So let's go down to 24 volts.
Right here, a hollow.
I did too.
Fuck. I never blow a hole in that thing.
Oh, don't tell me. That hole right through the fucking... You're taking the edge out of that. No, well. Scotty, how about running the jumper lead with a load of distance between the batteries? Is that going to affect the...
Yeah, that'll lower amperage, won't it? But either that or we gotta go a weaker battery.
You don't have a weak battery.
I mean a weaker cable. Go from here. Here, the red one, here.
Oi. Woo! Go! The rod gets up.